YouTube, BlackMaleASMR, and yes, I'm wearing this hoodie again. Oh, and it's red, so I don't know, maybe it's looking orange on this video again, but okay. So it's red. This is also red. Like they're the same color, but I don't know, maybe this looks red on the video and this looks orange on the video, but in reality, they're both the same. But anyway, that's not why I'm her. Okay, the reason I'm her is because I'm working on a video that I've actually recorded this last summer, I think. I don't know the specific date, but it was 2021. So almost a year ago. And I just now started editing the video in the last 4 days, I think. So it was at a park called Lawmeyer Sculpture Park. And while I was recording, I heard some clicking sound coming out of the woods. And I thought it was an animal. So I walked closer to where it was coming from. I looked around and didn't see any animals, but I saw some wooden things tied to the trees. And it was the wooden things making the sounds. So I was intrigued by it, so I took a video of it. I said I'll come back in a few days to check it out. So I did. I went back a few days later, and those wooden things were gone. They were gone. So to this day, I don't know what they were, but I did record a video of it, like I said. So I want to show y'all that video, and the reason I'm showing y'all is because I want y'all to tell me what they are. Maybe one of y'all know, and it's been driving me crazy this whole time. I can't figure it out. But why would somebody attach like clicking boxes to trees? I don't understand that. But anyway, that's it. I want to show y'all that video now. And hopefully I'll get the full video edited. And it's gonna be, the full video will be 100%, oh my God. I heard that. That dog. I wanna get rid of that dog. He's one of the main reasons why I don't make many videos. Anyway, the video's gonna be 100% whispering. Okay. Dang, I hate that dog. But I need to get to work on the video. And I'll talk to y'all later. I hope that y'all will enjoy the video. And if you know what that clicking boxes thing is, please let me know in the comments, okay? Alright. I'll talk to y'all later. Godspeed on the devil's thunder. I don't know what this thing is. Looks cool though. It's big enough to walk through. There's some animal over there making like a ticking sound. You hear that? I'm gonna have to go over there and try to figure out what it is. But next I'll go to that sculpture right there. I think it looks small, but trust me, it is gigantic. Y'all will see when I get there. Okay, so it was not an animal making that sound. It's, I don't know, it's these wooden things. Like that thing. And then this thing. So this, and here's another wooden, oh, it's one right there too. God, like, this is some trail. I didn't know this trail was right here. God. I'm not sure if I'll be able to physically handle this trail because there's so many. And I'm already halfway done my Gatorade. And anyway, I'll go to this red sculpture over here, see what it is.